Hi, this demo will take you over the new SFRK channel that is added as part of Marimba, which is HostScanner. The HostScanner will help you in identifying machines in a network. So as customers, you are aware that the inventory scan of Marimba will help you with the details of machines which are part of your network that host the Marimba infrastructure. But there might be requirements where you will need to know the machines in your network which are not running Marimba. So with the existing inventory scan, this is not possible as inventory reports only the machines which are the tuner agent. This HostScanner channel will help you get the details. So before getting into the demo, I will take you over the workflow of this channel. As you can see, a typical infrastructure will have a master transmitter which has a mirror replicating from it, and the mirror might serve few repeaters which in turn serves the endpoints. So the HostScanner channel typically has two segments, the OS segment any, as well as a plugin which is available at the server. So once this HostScanner channel is deployed in a network, it scans all the machines in the network. So the first step, as I marked in the diagram with number 1, is to scan all the machines in the network. So the HostScanner first picks all the machines in the network. Once the machines are scanned, an XML is generated by this channel, which will be the second step. So each endpoint which runs the tuner with this channel will have an XML generated which contains a list of machines in that network. As you can see, there are a couple of networks in this diagram, and each machine with this channel generates each one XML. So once the XML generation is done, the endpoints will forward this XML to the plugin at the repeater or mirror. So the repeater or mirror, in case of this HostScanner, will not handle any of the XML insertion requests. So the repeater and mirror will just forward this request to the master. By this, all the XML from all endpoints across your network will reach the master, and master has a different logic implemented, which is at step 5. So based on this different logic, it will get all the XML from the endpoint, and it will diff it against the existing scan result XML. The scan result XML is available at c:/HostScanner output/HostScanner.xml. The final result XML will have a list of machines which are in a network, which includes both machines with the tuner and also without the tuner. Once this XML is generated, you can diff this result XML with the inventory database, and the difference will give you the list of machines without Marimba tuner. Before getting into the demo, I'll just explain you on the XML format, the output XML. So the output XML is usually saved in the folder c:/HostScanner output. As part of this release, we are saving this in the file system, but in future we will be adding support for insertion into database as well. So the HostScanner.xml will be saved at this c:/HostScanner output folder, and the format of this XML will be the host details with its MAC address, IPv6 address, IPv4 address, and the host name. Okay, now let's get into the demo. So I have a HostScanner channel. I already have a host scan from a different network which is reported in this XML. Now I will be triggering the HostScanner channel for this network. Now the HostScanner has finished its operation, and it has scanned the machines in this network. Now if we go to the folder C:/HostScanner output, you will see the XML updated with the 2 new hosts. As you can see, in addition to the existing one node, there are 2 more entries added. Okay, by using this XML result, you can compare this against the inventory database to know the machines which are not part of the Marimba infrastructure. So that explains the purpose of this channel. So, and this concludes the demo as well. Thank you and have a nice day.